Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to convert Wings website to Android app. Now here, as you can see, we have here on the Wings editor, and here we don't have any options here to directly convert our Wings website into Android app. So basically, you just need a coding expert so you can convert your Wings into your Android. So you just need some code stuff right here to be able to convert it into Android app. Or you can go and use some AI tools like here from the Google search. If you search for Wings website to Android, you'll find some tools or AI tools right here that you can use to be able to convert it into a Android app. But basically, you just need to pay so you can able to use some tools to use on your Wings website and you can convert it into app. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.